Good day everyone, we are Group Cybergenesis and today we will present Arduino Project 15 Infrared Controlled LED Matrix. Our group is composed of Nandre Nashtiglaw as our leader, myself, Marcia Merpontillo, and Jen Michael Pajeda. This project is presented to our professor, Dr. Earl Marquez Albina, for the subject Application Development and Emerging Technologies. You have probably used a remote control to turn your TV on or off. A typical remote control uses infrared light to send information to the device it controls. So in this project, we will apply the same principle but instead of controlling a TV, we will control an LED matrix using an IR remote control. The components we used for this activity are: first, Arduino Uno board, the main controller. Second, breadboard for easier wiring. Third, IR receiver receives signals from the remote. Fourth, IR remote controller sends commands. Fifth, LED matrix display the output pattern. And lastly, jumper wires to connect the circuits. With this activity, we learned how to receive signals from an IR remote and use those signals to control an LED matrix. This project shows how Arduino can be used for wireless control, which can be applied to real-life devices like TVs, smart lights, and even robots.
Good day. So here's the source code for activity number 15, our final activity of the beginner kit. For this code, we will use the new IR remote format. Here, we're going to use the 4.x version because it is now brand new and it's more logical to use it instead of the legacy one. So, let's start. We are going to uh, initialize the receiver pin to pin 11, and we have a variable here called current number that is used to either display the number on the 7 segment LED, or we can display it on the serial monitor for debugging. So we have an array here called the long codes to store the infrared codes that we're going to use for our project. Now we have a 2D array here called number that is used for traversing LED lighting state. Then this code itself is connected to this function here that shows the number on the 7 segment LED. Now we have the void setup. We're going to begin the serial monitor with a 9600 baud rate, and we are going to start the IR receiver, and we're going to pin mode the pins from pin 2 up to pin 9 and write it to high. So void loop, here we have if we receive the decoded hex value, we are going to put it into the variable hex code, then we're going to print it, and then we have this for loop, and we have if and else if for this source code. Then after the for loop, we are going to receive the signal once more.
To start our 7 segment LED, we have to press any of these buttons here. It's now 0. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, is the reverse button working? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The forward button is working as well. Does it loop? Yes, it does loop. Yes, it also does loop. So, we look at the serial monitor here. As expected, the serial monitor and our output does not lie. Here we go. You can see the numbers below and also the corresponding hex value.